Google Bard and new features of IoT. Yes, Google recently announced new features for Bard, its large language model chatbot. These new features include IoT security. Bard can now identify and mitigate security threats in IoT devices. This is done by analyzing the device's code, its configuration, and its behavior. IoT reliability. Bard can now monitor IoT devices in real time for signs of trouble. If it detects a problem, it can take action to prevent or mitigate the problem. IoT efficiency. Bard can now provide insights into how IoT devices are being used and how they can be used more effectively. These new features make Bard a more powerful and versatile tool for IoT security and management. If you are interested in learning more about Bard, please visit the Bard website. Here are some additional details about the new features. IoT security. Bard's IoT security capabilities are powered by its ability to understand and process information from code. This is done through a process called natural language processing, which allows Bard to understand the meaning of words and phrases in code. Bard can also use its knowledge of the world to identify potential security threats in IoT devices. IoT reliability. Bard's IoT reliability capabilities are powered by its ability to monitor IoT devices in real time. This is done through a process called telemetry, which allows Bard to collect data about the device's performance. Bard can use this data to identify potential problems and take action to prevent or mitigate them. IoT efficiency. Bard's IoT efficiency capabilities are powered by its ability to provide insights into how IoT devices are being used. This is done through a process called analytics, which allows Bard to collect and analyze data about the device's usage. Bard can use this data to identify ways to improve the device's performance and efficiency. Bard's new features make it a more powerful and versatile tool for IoT security and management. If you are interested in learning more about Bard, please visit the Bard website.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share my channel.